Hello good people, welcome to the Zero Code channel. We specifically work on different product reviews just for you. We took our time and invested our energy to do extensive research on different products available in the market coming from different brands. The research included is checking out all the exclusive features, the durability, and also the reliability of the products. Our team is very experienced and they're working relentlessly so that you can find your perfect product. So be with us, support us, and pick your best product from one of them featured in the video. Thank you.
Number 5. Titanker Bike-Lock Cable. Easy to set combination. Resettable. Multi-purpose. Good performance cable. Size, 6-inch 1.8 meters, long x 1/2 inch, 12 millimeters, diameter, with vinyl shell. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. Sporsis Bike-Lock Cable. With LED light. High security cable lock. Secure, and resettable. Easy to install, or remove. Multi-purpose. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. BV Bike Chain Lock. Heavy duty, and cut resistant steel chain. High quality cylinder, with dust cap. 43-inch, 110 centimeters, long chain. Durable dust-proof nylon sleeve cover, prevents scratches. Multi-purpose, ideal for bicycles, ladders and sports equipment. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. Sigtuna Bike-Lock. Protect what you value. Go for security. Easy to use, and convenient. Money-back guarantee. High performance, interlinked, and secure. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 1. Hopad Folding Bike-Lock. Zinc alloy with special ABS material, wear resistant and anti-pressure. Easy to carry, compact, and flexible. Foldable design, 26 joints foldable design. Portable, flexible Bike-Lock can be folded into an artistic cube. We are cyclists just like you, so we know tough security. Please check the description for details and best price.